In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Google Sheets. CSV files are a simple way to move lists, tables, or reports between different apps, and Google Sheets makes it easy to bring that data into a spreadsheet you can edit and share. We'll walk through the exact process on a desktop browser, and I'll point out what each choice means, so your data lands exactly where you want it. First, open Google Sheets in your desktop browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. You can start from a blank spreadsheet or open an existing one if you plan to place the CSV inside a particular file. Either way, we'll use the same import window. Look to the top left of your screen and click File. This menu houses all the options for bringing content into your spreadsheet. From there, choose Import. That opens the Import dialog, which is where you'll tell Sheets what file you're bringing in and how you want it placed. Next, click the Upload tab. You can drag your CSV file straight into the window or click the button to select it from your computer. Drag and drop is great for speed, but the file picker works just as well. Once the file is attached, Sheets will analyze it and show you placement options. Now, choose how you want to import the file. If you select Create a new sheet, Google Sheets will add a fresh tab inside your current spreadsheet and place the CSV there. This is perfect when you want to keep your current tabs intact and simply add the data as a new tab. If you choose Insert into the current sheet, Sheets will start placing the CSV data beginning at the currently selected cell in the active tab, pushing data into the existing grid. This is useful for appending data beneath a header you already have. Finally, Replace the current sheet will wipe the active tab and fill it with the CSV contents, preserving the sheet name but removing whatever was there before. If you have important data in that tab, consider duplicating it first so you have a backup. When you're happy with your selection, click Import Data. Sheets will process the file, and the contents will appear according to the option you chose. Large CSVs may take a moment. After it loads, scan your headers, column alignment, and numbers to confirm everything came in cleanly. If something looks off, like all the text landing in a single column, it often means the file used a different delimiter. You can re-import and adjust your choice to get a clean layout. That's it. You've successfully opened a CSV file in Google Sheets using the Import tool.